Good morning, it's Maureen Legas with your 21 days of December for 2018. Today is day 1. Now each year we go through some steps to get ready for your next business year. We go through how to set up your websites and make sure your database is organized, how to use some of the tools. This year I'm going to talk about the new systems coming with KW, and so it's going to be a little bit different. I know some of the agents watching this are not with KW, and I apologize for that. Maybe some of the tools are available in your systems, so I think it's worth still watching the videos. But we're getting ready for a new release of software and tools coming in 2019. The first quarter, and so I want to review that so everyone knows what to do and we're ready for that. So today the first thing we're going to talk about is KW Connect and how to get that profile set up. And that's a different profile than this original profile that we had with KW. To get there, I'm going to click on Home, or roll my mouse over Home and click on KW Connect. Once I'm in Connect, up here in the right corner, I can see my face. And some of you might just have a circle, you might not have your picture uploaded yet, and that's where you roll over that and you find your profile. And in your profile, this is what you set up to make sure that you're ready for the rollover to KW Connect and KW Command. Now this photo up here, that is editable, and I just combined multiple photos to create that banner for my page. Your picture, you can click to change your photo, and then right here next to your name it says edit my profile, and when I click that, it's going to take me to the tool, the page where I can update and edit all my information on my profile. So this is the banner, the multiple pictures I showed you, and this is your profile of your image, your face, or your team, whatever you want to use there. And then you want to scroll through here and update as much information as you can that you have available so you have a complete profile. And then you want to click down here to update. And once you do that, you come back into your profile, you'll be able to see all the information that you added is here. You can show more to see the rest of what you've added. And then when people are looking you up on the KW referral system, when they click your information, they'll be able to come in and see your profile. So make sure that this is set up so that you're ready for the new systems. Now, what KW did is they took the profile from your myKW, this profile that you had set up, and moved it over. So you want to double check that to make sure there's not any control characters or anything in there that got moved over incorrectly, and you want to make sure to update that. Okay, so that's your KW Connect profile, and I hope you have a great day.